Hello everyone. In this video, we'll explore the difference between a page and a category in WordPress. Understanding how these two elements work will help you organize your website more effectively and improve user experience. A page in WordPress is a static piece of content. It's used for information that doesn't change often and isn't part of a chronological blog structure. Common examples of pages include the home page, about page, contact page, or any other standalone content that doesn't belong to a series. Pages are meant to provide timeless information. They are not tied to dates or tags and don't typically have comments enabled. In short, pages are ideal for content that should stay consistent and accessible across your site. A category, on the other hand, is part of the WordPress blogging structure. Categories are used to group related posts together. For example, if you're running a food blog, you might have categories like recipes, cooking tips, or restaurant reviews. Categories make it easy for visitors to find related content as they create an archive that automatically updates whenever you publish a new post in that category. Unlike pages, categories work dynamically and are tied to blog posts. Here's an example to help you understand the difference. Imagine your website is a library. Pages are like permanent sections of the library, such as the entrance, reading room, or information desk. They remain the same and provide essential, fixed information. Categories, however, are like labeled bookshelves that group books by genre or topic. The books on the shelves can change as new ones are added, but the categories help visitors find what they're looking for. In WordPress, pages and categories serve different but complementary purposes. Pages are for static, standalone content. Categories organize your blog posts to make browsing easier. Knowing when to use a page or a category will help you structure your site in a way that makes sense for both you and your visitors. If you're building or improving your WordPress website and want a theme that supports well-designed pages and categories, check out the link in the description for a great price. Elegant Themes offers affordable and stylish options that work seamlessly with WordPress, making it easier to create a professional and organized website. Visit the link in the description to explore their themes for a great price.